Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn that subclass constructor implicitly called superclass constructor. So we have to understand it how it done by the subclass constructor. So here we are creating a class and we're giving a name main AB. So I'm creating a class A here and I'm creating a class B here and I'm declaring an object of class B like this. If I run this program, you will see that there is no output because why? Because we are not using any, we have not declared any property in variable. But I want to show that subclass constructor implicitly calls superclass constructor. How? You see, if I declare the constructor of default constructor here and A, because constructor name is A, and I call it I am in A class constructor, A class default constructor. You see that in place of Java, I have created my own default constructor. Now, if I run this program, you see the output. Sorry, this is not coming because I have not extend the class. So I have to use the extend the A class, then it will call. Otherwise, it won't call. Now it will call the, you see, I am in A class default constructor. You see, so I'm calling the subclass constructor only. I'm creating an object of subclass, but this constructor, B class constructor, which is default constructor, is calling the default constructor of superclass. So it is showing that the subclass constructor implicitly call superclass constructor. Proof that the subclass constructor implicitly calls superclass constructor. One more example we may have of this to understand it, that uh, we just pass value here, message, string message, and here we pass this message. And if I run this, I save it, I run it, it will generate the error. You see, the constructor A is undefined. You must define an explicit constructor because I have created the on constructor. Java did not create default constructor, but this constructor is searching for the A class default constructor, but it is not found. So what I have to do, I have to create my B class constructor here like this, and I have to call A class constructor and I have to pass here message. I am calling A class constructor by B class. You see, I'm calling from here, and because this is A, so we have to put this. sorry, we have to put super because it's a super class constructor. So I have to put super here, and this constructor I need to call. If I run it, you see the output. So it is also that if I call the subclass constructor, it will call this class constructor because the default constructor is not found in class A. That's why explicitly I have to call this default constructor which I have created. So that show if we are creating the default constructor, then we have to explicitly call the superclass constructor within a subclass. Otherwise, if we are not creating, then automatically this subclass constructor calls superclass constructor implicitly. That we have to understand.